What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. From this mess here, we're gonna create the awesome Paracord bracelet. We're gonna use the white and the black Paracord 550. The tutorial how to create this Paracord bracelet core with the 4 strands you have in the top right corner in the information card, so click on the I button. Also you have the tutorial how to create this awesome bracelet in the top right corner in the cards and many other tutorials, so go ahead and check the cards. The dimension, the length of a paracord are down below under this video in the description box of it, so go ahead and check that also. The awesome bracelet design is done by Elena Polkanova, so go ahead and check Elena on the Instagram. She has a variety of awesome paracord projects. Now that being said, we're gonna take our paracord feed or a needle and we're gonna insert the white cord into those cow hitches on the top, so from the bottom or from the right side. Sorry, not from the bottom but from the right side here, as you can see. Let me just rearrange the lighting. Okay, I think that's enough. We're gonna insert the white cord and then from the top we're gonna insert it back into the bracelet like this. Now from here we're gonna take and pull the white cord by the ends, so we're gonna find the center of it. And now we have the equal length of the white cord from the left and the right side. Now when we've done this, we can start with today's project. We're gonna simply take the left cord and we're gonna insert it into the middle of the bracelet core, and with the right cord also from the top into the middle and to the back, like so. Now from here we're gonna take the right strand cord and we're gonna make it in the middle, then around, and from the back again into the middle to the top side, and with the left cord also, so in the middle, around and through. Now we're gonna pull it to secure these knots. And from here we're gonna take this end of a cord and we're gonna make it next to this black one, and then around the black and through the loop. And with the left one also next to the black, around black and through the loop from the back side. As you can see, it's very fast and easy to make, yet very beautiful bracelet on the end. Now we're gonna enter those white cords into the middle, and this will conclude today's weaves. Now we're gonna just cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down. Our today's project is finished. The beautiful Paracord bracelet, the Rhyme Spirit, is done. I hope that you like this video. If you find this video tutorial helpful, consider to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Until the next time, as always, I wish you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!